Imagine a world where you control your own data, own digital assets without middlemen, and interact with the internet in a completely decentralized way. No banks, no big corporations, just you and the internet. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already happening. Welcome to Web3. But what exactly is Web3? How is it different from the internet we use today? And why is everyone talking about it? Let's break it down in simple terms. Before we dive into Web3, let's first understand how the internet evolved. We've gone through three major stages. Web 1, the static web. Think of the early days of the internet. Websites were like digital newspapers. You could only read information, but you couldn't interact with it. Web 2, the social web. This is the internet we use today. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram let us create and share content. But here's the catch. Big companies control everything. They own your data. They track your activities, and they profit from your content. Web 3, the decentralized web. This is the next evolution. Web 3 is built on blockchain technology. It's decentralized, transparent, and gives you full control over your data and assets. Still confused? Don't worry, let's make it easier. Explaining Web 3 in simple terms. Think of Web 3 as an online world where you have the power. Let's say you play an online game. In Web 2, you buy skins, weapons, or characters, but they're locked inside the game. If the game company shuts down, you lose everything. In Web 3, those items are NFTs, non-fungible tokens. That means they are truly yours. You can sell them, trade them. Sounds amazing, right? But Web 3 is not just about gaming. How Web 3 works? Breaking it down. Web 3 is powered by three key technologies. Blockchain, a decentralized, tamper-proof digital ledger. Cryptocurrency, digital money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts that run automatically when conditions are met. Why is Web 3 important? So why should you care about Web 3? 1, full ownership. You own your data, digital assets, and identity. No company can take them away. 2, privacy and security. Your information isn't controlled by big corporations. 3, no middlemen. Transactions happen directly between users. This reduces costs and increases transparency. 4, new opportunities. Web 3 allows you to earn money through DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, and play-to-earn games, challenges, and risks of Web 3. But wait, Web 3 isn't perfect yet. It's still new and evolving, so it can be complicated for beginners. Scams and hacks are common. You need to be careful. Many Web 3 platforms still rely on Web 2 companies for storage and accessibility. However, just like the early internet, these challenges will improve over time. Web 3 is the future of the internet. It's about freedom, ownership, and decentralization. And while it's still in its early stages, it's growing fast. Are you ready for the Web 3 revolution? Let me know in the comments what excites you the most about Web 3. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto and blockchain content. See you in the next video.